more of us that tell the truth is one, the more of us that get out there and educate the public and let the public know that this isn't an isolated incident.
Okay, your name, please.
Jalipio.
Attorney for the plaintiff.
That's correct.
You want to say prosecution. So it didn't take the jury long to come to a decision. Are you surprised?
Well, we're disappointed, but not necessarily surprised. The judge let in a lot of evidence, a lot of gang evidence, drug evidence, and pictures that were found on his cell phone after the fact with him holding a gun and doing gang signs. We felt with a conservative Orange County jury that was going to be difficult to overcome. We still believe it was an unjustified shooting. He was unarmed, he was shot in the back. But I think the jury felt that given the negative evidence that was allowed in, they gave the officer the benefit of the doubt in this case.
Is this the end of the legal process here?
No, I think we're going to file an appeal. There's certain claims that we thought should have went to the jury that did not go to the jury. We thought some of the evidence that was let in should not have been let in. So we're currently considering filing an appeal, and I think there's a strong likelihood that we will.
You said soon you're going to file?
Yes, we have time limitations on that, so I anticipate an appeal will be filed in the next 60 days.
Again, based on what?
Well, based on, in part, letting in evidence, prejudicial evidence of gangs and gang membership that the shooting officer was not aware of, drugs that the shooting officer was not aware of, and most importantly, there were some pictures found on his cell phone after the fact that showed him posing with a gun. The standard is supposed to be what the officers observed and knew at the time. So all this evidence that was let in, which was very prejudicial, was not known to the officers, and we believe improperly influenced the jury. There was also other claims, such as a detention claim and some of the jury instructions that we thought were inappropriate, so that will also be brought up in the appeal. Finally, we made a motion at the end of the evidence before the jury got the case that as a matter of law, given that he was shot in the back and shot in the head without the officer ever seeing a weapon or anything that looked like a weapon, we felt this was unjustified as a matter of law, and we're going to ask the Court of Appeals to look at that.
Very good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.
Stay connected to this and many stories. Follow, like, subscribe at In League Press on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Ustream.